Today I am baking soft poppy seed rolls, perfect with a cozy holiday coffee. I sift the flour into a large mixing bowl. I add salt, instant yeast and sugar. In another bowl, I whisk together the eggs, warm milk and water just until combined. I pour the wet ingredients into the dry and start kneading a soft dough. Stay with me to the end. I will show you an easy trick for even rolls that hold their shape. I cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then I turn the dough out onto the counter and knead for about 10 minutes, adding the soft butter little by little until it is smooth and elastic. I place the dough back in the bowl, cover it again, and leave it in a warm spot for about 1 hour to rise. When the dough has risen, I roll it out into a large rectangle with fairly even edges. If you love soft, sweet rolls, stay with me to the end and subscribe for more holiday baking ideas. I spread a poppy seed filling all over the dough in an even layer. Then I roll the dough up into a fairly tight log so the filling stays inside. You can make these poppy seed swirls the day before. They stay soft and taste even better gently warmed the next day. Poppy seed bakes always mean the holidays to me, and these rolls are a simple, quicker twist on a traditional poppy seed loaf. With a piece of kitchen string, I slice the log into pieces about 4 centimeters, around 1.5 inches thick, cover them and let them rest for about 20 minutes. Before baking, I brush the tops of the rolls with milk or beaten egg yolk. I bake them for about 25 minutes at about 347 degrees Fahrenheit, about 175 degrees Celsius. And they are ready, soft poppy seed rolls, perfect for a holiday coffee break. Thank you for baking with me today. If you enjoy simple homemade treats, please subscribe and come back for more recipes.